Hey, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. It's a little early for bourbon today, so we got ourselves a coffee. So we're going to talk about the SEC lawsuit, Coinbase possibly delisting XRP, and what I'm going to do with my XRP holdings and my other crypto. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get into first things first. As you know, the SEC is still pursuing a lawsuit against Ripple for selling unlicensed securities. So this isn't something that we didn't expect. We knew other small exchanges I'd never heard of had delisted XRP, but being that this is a US-based company and the US SEC is filing a lawsuit, not surprising that US-based exchanges are also starting to take some action. So this caused a pretty significant drop in XRP's price. So let's just get into this real quick. Given the SEC's recent action against Ripple, all XRP books have been moved to limit only, so you can't do a market buy. I actually sold some this morning. We'll get into that, and then Coinbase will fully suspend trading in XRP on Tuesday, January 19th. So what this means is, for Coinbase customers, is that after January 19th, you will not be able to buy or sell XRP on their site. So currently you can buy and sell. They are limit orders, so you have to set a price. I think because of the volatility, they got rid of market orders, which is if you just do a market buy, it's whatever the current price is when you click buy or sell. Limit, you have to set your own price and then wait for it to get to that price for your order to be completed. So personally, what I did this morning, well, let's do that at the end. We'll talk about what I did with my XRP. So I want to talk about a couple other things though. I don't think that this SEC lawsuit is a huge deal. That's my opinion. I think it's a giant shakeout, and I think it's a money grab by the SEC. So if we look at EOS, and EOS is doing pretty well still. So when they first did an ICO, the SEC fined, where is it, Block.one, $24 million for selling unregistered securities. And that was it. EOS is still on Coinbase. So this is not something that's going to kill XRP. And then if you look at Tesla, so last year, Elon Musk had to pay a giant fine to the SEC, and their stock was $49 at the time. Look at their stocks now, $663, and I think it's split. So an SEC lawsuit isn't this like end-all thing where Ripple and XRP are just going to disappear. I don't think that's going to happen. I think that worst case, Ripple pays a fine, and then that's it. That's all that's going to happen. They have so many use cases right now that are not security related that you can't, like, you could maybe make a point that when they started, they were doing some security related funding, just like EOS did. But XRP has evolved and Ripple has evolved where their use case is used all of the time, all over the world. Furthermore, multiple countries, including the UK and I believe Japan, just in the last couple of days, stated that XRP is not a security. So how the US would say that it is when the rest of the world says it's not, I don't think it's going to happen. So here I'm going to tell you, because of that, what I did with my XRP in the last couple of days. So I took about 30% of my total XRP holdings that I've been holding for years, and I sold 30% of it at about 33 cents prior to the Coinbase announcement, which I was expecting, which is why I sold it. It was a little nerve-wracking because it was still hovering around that 30 to 34, I think, cents for a couple days. But I think I made the right decision, so I sold 30% of my entire holdings at 33 cents, and I just bought back some of it. So about a third of my initial sell-off I bought back this morning for 19.5 cents. So I plan on buying back what I sold. I'm going to keep my original like XRP amount that I've been wanting to hold for a long time. I'm going to get back to that point, but because XRP is so cheap right now, I'm going to have a lot more money when this massacre happens, The altcoin massacre is going to happen before the bull run, trust me. So I'm going to have a lot more money to buy other alts, whether it's Ethereum, VET is going to be huge, Cardano, whatever I end up buying, I'm going to be able to buy a lot more of those. And speaking of VET and Cardano and what's the other, XLM, Stellar, I've been basically selling those off for the last couple days. So I'm almost completely divested of other alts right now. The only one I'm holding is XRP in my ledger because I'm taking everything off Coinbase that's XRP. And as soon as this massacre happens, and it will, if you have been following the Crypto Wizard as well, it's going to happen. As soon as BTC sees a big correction, alts are going to die. And I'm going to buy them all back up. So my plan is I'm hoping that I'll be able to get at least 50 to 100% more from what I bought it at, because I've been selling what I think is the top right about now the last 2 days. So my plan is to buy back everything that I had plus more as soon as this massacre happens. And then as we get into like mid 21, like Crypto Wizard was saying, and that was what I said initially as well, like mid 21, I think that alt run's going to happen, and I think XRP is going to get over whatever it's going through now and recover very nicely. So I'm not concerned about this. I'm actually I've never been so excited for a massacre because I've never been prepared for one. I've always just let it ride out, and I think I sold at a good price, and I'm going to buy all of it back and as much as I can get because I'm trying to set myself up for the future. So that's what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinions on what's going on. But drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys are doing. What are some good alts I should look at when the massacre happens to buy back in on the cheap? And I think that's all I got for you guys this morning. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you later.